Good day, my name is Nikki De Altura and I'm here to present my Python program using classes and objects to deposit and withdraw money in a bank account. So without further ado, let's begin. So I will create a class. I will name this particular class as a bank, and then I will add some different methods. So first, I will create one constructor that is underscore underscore init, and then I will pass one parameter to it. That is the self. That is itself is nothing but the object which is used to create which is created. Okay, so now when we do this part, everything I will initialize self. That who can say that I will take one attribute. Let us say that balance, which is equivalent to 0. The meaning is the account is just created and the balance in the account is equal to 0. And then I will just give one message like print the account is created. The account is created. So what is the meaning of this? Whenever you try create an object of a class in constructor will be executed and the balance will be set to 0 and the message will be displayed. Now we need to do is we need to write some different methods. One is to withdraw money, deposit money as well as inquiry. So these are the different methods we need to write. So first I will write deposit. We need to use an implicit parameter that is self. And then what I need to do is amount is equivalent to amount plus self dot. So first, we need to read the month, how much amount I want to deposit. Float, input, enter the amount to be deposited. Deposit. Now, I want to add some or deposit some money into this particular account. Now, self.balance is given to self.balance plus amount. The next thing we need to do is to print one message. Deposit is successful. Okay, deposit is successful and find the balance in the account. So here I will take the percentage F because I want to display a floating point value. And then here it should be self dot balance. So what I have done here is I have displayed one in the message saying that deposit is successful and the balance in the account is set. Next, I will add one more definition and definition is withdraw. Now, what I need to do is how much amount I want to withdraw. It will be in a floating point number. So, input, I will ask user to enter the amount to be withdraw. So, he will enter the amount and it will be stored into amount variable. Now, I need to put self.balance is equal into self.balance minus amount. So much amount will be deducted from the account. And then I need to write one method or can say a statement like print the withdraw. So one thing I need to do is I need to check it. So what I supposed to do is I cannot directly withdraw money. One condition I need to check, what is that here? I need to go here and then I need to check condition like solve that balance, whether it is greater than or equal into amount. If that is the case, I can withdraw money, otherwise I cannot. So first, I will check whether it is greater than. So if that is the case, I will do this particular thing. Self.balance is equivalent to self.balance minus amount. Otherwise, here I will go else. Okay, and then I will print withdraw an insufficient balance. Insufficient balance. Here, I can put percentages self that balance. So, it will print you how much amount of balance is remaining in the account. Okay, so this is the thing. And the next statement over here is one more def. I need to create, that's the definition. What is use of this one is to inquire that, or inquire the balance inquiry, or something like that can say. Okay, so here what I do is I will write one very simple statement. Print balance in the account is percentage. Yes, you can write, or directly you can use value directly percentage here, and then here I should write self dot balance. One thing you should notice, I am trying to display the value of one variable here, so there is no need to put this thing into couple. But if I want to print two things, account number, as well as you can say that this balance, in such case I need to use this particular thing. What is the next thing I need to do is to create one account. So let us say that I will create one account. What is the spelling I have used? Okay. So if you want to create one account, I will name that particular account as ACC, which is equivalent to bank. I will create an account. Okay, so once account is created, you will get a message saying the account is created. So next one is I want to deposit money. So therefore, once executed, let us say that I want to deposit 10,000. So 10,000 is deposited, and you will get a message like, therefore, it is successful and the balance account is 10,000. So something like this is the output because account is created. So next one is ACC dot withdraw. So once you execute it, it will ask you how much amount you want to deposit. Like again, 10,000. I will write here, so totally it is 10,000. I have in my account and I want to withdraw 11,000 pesos. So it says that insufficient balance because you have only 10,000 in your bank. So I want to deposit 10,000. Out of that, I want to withdraw 5,000. So the balance in the account is, oh, I think we are getting an error. Incompletely to format. Withdraw successful, and then here I should have percentage EF. Okay, so I will execute it one more time. 10,000, and I have withdraw 5,000. So remaining is 5,000. ACC dot inquire. If I execute it and type 10,000, I will withdraw 5,000. So 5,000 is remaining and balance in the account is 5,000. So this is how actually we can write a very simple Python program using classes and objects to deposit and withdraw money in a bank. So I have used the four methods here: one init method, deposit method, withdraw method, and inquiry method. I have created an object. After that, I have execute different methods like deposit, withdraw, and then inquiry methods were executed, and this is actually of what we look like. I hope you enjoyed the program. Thank you po.